Hey traders, welcome to 𝗵𝗿𝗶𝗃𝗍 weekly forex forecast. First of all, thank you for your likes, comments, and shares. We hope that you had a great trading week as most of the pairs moved in the direction of our wave analysis, especially the yen pairs, Euro yen, Pound yen, Swiss yen, along with Dollar Swiss, Pound Swiss, and a lot of other pairs that were covered on our website. Now, all of you who are willing to take the next step in your trading career and want to register for our June course, fill up this form to get the payment details within few minutes. And for those who reserved your places, check your mailbox. You should have received our email yesterday. Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you will earn. So keep learning, expand your knowledge, and the best is always yet to come." Let's get started. The XY for this one, guys, you remember last week we said we can see one more move up here. We will ignore this up wave and we are focusing on the sell setup. Market went down. Now, what next for this one? All of you who are in the sell, take profits or move your stops, it's up to you. Those who are not in the sell, we are expecting now an up wave here. This up wave, it will be slow and it will take time. What we mean by that? This wave, guys, it will not finish next week. It might take 2 to 3 weeks. So again, all of you who are in the sell, move your stops and manage your trade. Those who are not in, we are expecting next an up move here. If this up wave will be going slowly like that sideways, we will be going down from the middle. If not, we will be going up to break this top. In all cases, short term, the next wave is upside. So those who are in from here, you are now in a risk-free trade, move it to break even, and you can leave it. Because for now, we do not have enough information to decide if this market will go down from here or from here. In all cases, short term we are expecting up and long term we are expecting down. Those who are trading short term, you can look for your buy setups, get in, get out for profits. And those who are trading for long term, wait this up wave to finish before you go for any sell setup. The bigger wave and bigger direction is toward the downside. This is long term. Short term, we can see it going more up to complete a specific structure. So this is, guys, how we are covering all the moves step by step. Euro dollar for this one, we said last week we can see more downside, but structurally market is ready to move up. It moved up. We were expecting downside here, market moved up, and we said structurally it's ready to move up. So now what next for this one? All of you who are in the buy, move your stops or take profits. Because based on the next wave now, we will decide if we are going all the way up or we will make one more move down. Structurally, as what we see for now, we can see one more move down. So what this means and how you should act. Like I said, if you are in the buy, move your stops, and now you must be in a risk-free trade or you must have made good profits out of this up wave. For those who are not in, you can look for your sell setups. Because the way this wave going up, we do not like it. And we can still see one more move down for this structure. So short term, you can go for this sell setup if you know how to trade this down wave. And this forecast is for those who are not in. After this down wave, upside again. If market here will make a corrective structure here like that, we will be going up again. For now, we do not have enough information to decide. And the good point is you don't have to know. Follow us week by week, like, comment, and we will update you. In this video, we are including additional tips and messages that will help you in your trading. So keep watching till the end because we are putting those tips after every 2 pairs. Always keep in mind the bigger picture. Otherwise, you might be trading the last wave of the last wave of the last wave. Pound dollar for this one, you know the bigger wave and the bigger direction is towards the upside. And we were expecting a down wave last week. Market give us this up, 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 and now it looked like we are getting this down wave. So what next for this one? Structurally, we need a down wave here. And this down wave, it can break this low or not, it doesn't matter. In all cases, we need one down wave here before this up wave. So if we will not get this down wave, we will not be going for this buy. This structure needs one more leg down. So those who know how to trade this down wave, you can go for it. And those who want to go for this buy, wait this leg down before you go for this buy setup. The bigger wave and the bigger direction is toward the upside. Short term down, long term upside. We might be trading this down wave, guys, just to let you know. We might be trading this down wave and then all the way up. And those arrows are not targets. Aussie dollar, you know that we are waiting a bigger corrective structure and it looked like we are starting this bigger corrective structure. So market moved down and we are expecting more downside for Aussie dollar. This down wave, guys, it might be the first leg of the corrective structure, or it might be the corrective structure itself. This is a hint for those who know wave analysis. Now, coming back to the next move and the next direction, we are expecting downside for Aussie dollar. So if you are following us week by week, you must be in the sell, and now you must be in a risk-free trade. This means no matter what the market will do, you should get out for break even and not a loss. How you should get in the sell and how you should trade this down wave, this is what we teach. And this is just a small part of our course, our unique strategies. Also for this one, guys, after this corrective structure, the bigger wave and the bigger direction is toward the upside. But before this up wave, we have a good 400-500 pips to the downside. When you take a trade, be aware that the market will not go 500-600 pips in 10, 15 or 30 minutes. So there is no need to stay in front of the screen watching the candles. Because if you do that, you will start making mistakes, closing the trade earlier, adding to a losing position, and lot of other mistakes. Dollar yen, we explained this one last week, and we said even that we see this down wave, we will not trade it. And you see that the market went down and we are not in the sell. Why? Because the bigger wave and the bigger direction is toward the upside, and this wave, it might be the last wave in the structure. This is also a part of our course, what to trade and what not to trade, and especially in this type of structures. Now, in this one, market went down and up again, but the way this is going up, we do not like it. What I mean by that? In this one, guys, market can go more down. So what you should do? If market will go to the downside more, do not sell it. We will not sell it. We are ignoring any sell setup and we are focusing on the up wave. This is a wave and this is a move that we are looking for. Upside, up wave. If market will make one more leg down, we will not sell it. And if this one will shoot up from here, we will be in this buy. So in all cases, we are only looking for the buy setups for dollar yen. New Zealand dollar, for this one also we need this down wave and market start to give us this down wave. So if you are in the sell, move your stops and manage your trade. Why you need to move your stops? Because if market will go to the upside again, you will get out for break even. And remember, in Forex trading, once you click the trade, after that, you have only 5 outcomes. Big loss, small loss, break even, small profit, and big profit. If you remove the big loss situation from your outcome, you are in a very good position. And if you try to remove the small loss situation from your outcome, it will be even better. So if you like, guys, our tips and our advices, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. This will support the channel and YouTube will spread the video more. Coming back to analysis, we are expecting more downside for New Zealand dollar. After this down wave, upside again. For now, we are expecting it to go more down. If you cannot see what the market is gonna do next, do not force yourself to click the trade. Patience is the key here. Gold, for this one, guys, now we are waiting and watching. And here's another tip for you. If every time you look at the charts and you find a trade, there is something wrong. You know, for this one, we are waiting this down wave and we are looking to trade this down wave. And structurally in this one, we said last week, we can see it going more up, market give us a corrective structure, and then one more leg down. This leg down, guys, it might be the last leg in the structure. And what I mean by that, market here, it can go all the way up to break this top one more time, and then downside again. But we are not expecting this anymore. What we are expecting next for this one now, we are expecting market to give us a corrective structure and then downside again. So we are waiting and watching. Because if this happens, guys, we'll be going all the way down to these levels. Now, those who would like to buy gold, wait this corrective structure before you get in any buy. And this buy, it will be very risky. For us, we will not take it. If we get any buy setup, we will not buy it. Yes, oil, for this one, guys, I explained everything last week. And I said from here, we are waiting a corrective structure and then we'll be going for more upside. And I showed you also last week our last order. Now, what next for this one? Before we explain what next, let me just give you this investment example. Look, from here to here, it's 100%. This was 10 and this is 20. This means from here to here, you will double your investment. And this is the beauty of investment. And that's why we are saying yes, oil is investment, guys. So move your stops, take profits, it's up to you. We are expecting correction and more upside here. This is what we can see. A corrective structure and then upside again. If you are in, you must be in a risk-free trade for now. Your stop loss must be only moved in the direction of the trade. Remember, your stop loss must be only moved in the direction of the trade. Pound yen, for this one guys, you are following us step by step and week by week. Market went down and then it went back up. Small down and then upside again. If you are in the buy, you should get out for break even, or at least move your stops if you are still in. Why? Because the way this market is going up, we do not like it. Structurally, we can get one more leg down. This down wave, we will ignore it and we'll be focusing on our buy setups again. Pound yen, it can go one more move down and then all the way up. This down wave guys, do not trade it, or at least we will not trade it, and we will be looking for our buy setups only. Those who are advanced and know how to trade this down wave, you can go for it. And those who are trading long term, look for your buy setups, it will be much better. Because the bigger wave and the bigger direction is towards the upside. Pound CAD, for this one, we're expecting this down wave and market went down and upside again. We said last week, we still need one more leg down here before this up wave. Market went down to these levels and then it shoots up. So if you get in this buy, you can take profits. Why? Because this up wave guys, for us, it looked like we'll be getting a down wave after it. So what you should do, like I said, if you are in this buy, market went up more than 300 pips. You can take profits and wait the next opportunity. Short term, we are waiting this down wave. But if market will be going slowly like that sideways, we'll be going up again. Now, based on this structure, we can see one more leg down. If we get a setup for the sell, we might go for the sell, and then after that, we will be going for the buys again. This is what we can see for Pound CAD. And if you are following us, you know that the direction it was to the upside and market went up. So those who have a system and who have a plan to trade this up wave, you must be in the buy and you should have made good profits out of it. And for those who want to learn everything about Forex trading and wave analysis, including our unique strategy and our methodology, don't miss out our next course. Dollar CAD, let me remind you. From here we said we are expecting an up wave and market can go up to these levels or these levels, it doesn't matter, and then downside again. For those who remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. So market went up here and then it went back down. Last week, market was here and we said we are expecting more downside guys, market went more down and then upside again. This up wave guys, it was 400 pips and this down wave, it was also 400 pips. So, what next for this one? We can see two structures here guys. We can see it going down and you should be looking for your sell setups, and this is what we will do. Or else, if it will go sideways from here, we'll be going upside again. For now, what we can see based on this structure, we can see more downside. Anytime, this one it can go to the downside again. And if this market will give us a corrective structure here, a specific corrective structure, we'll be looking for our buy setups again. For now, we can see it downside. This corrective structure, it needs time and we'll update you if we get this corrective structure. For now, we can see it going downside. Check our website, it's www.wetradewaves.com. Fill up this form and we will send you 10 exclusive Forex trading tips. And do not forget to scroll down to check our weekly Forex forecast pages. This is where we are covering the other pairs. Swiss yen, for this one, all of you should remember what we said for yen pairs, right? And I want all of you who remember what I said for the yen pairs, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And those who are trading Swiss yen, you must be in the buy guys. And if you are in the buy, move your stops and leave it. Because we are expecting here market to move more up. So move your stops and leave it. And those who are not in, wait a corrective structure here before you go for any buy setup. This is the wave and this is the move we are looking for. Upside, up wave. All of you who are in the buy, you must be now in a risk-free trade. What this means, if market here decide to make one more leg down, you will get out for break even and you will not get out for a loss. I'm trying guys to give you more advices and more tips to help you in your Forex trading career. And this is for those who cannot afford our course. For those who will take our course, it will be a next level for you. So coming back to analysis, if market will move to the downside very fast, you should get out for break even and this should be your worst case scenario. Those who are not in, wait this corrective structure before you go for any buy setup. If you did not get a corrective structure here, do not go for the buy. Or if you do not get your buy setup, do not jump in because just who are saying this is going up. And do not follow anyone blindly. If you will do that, you will lose. You know that what we are giving here is our point of view on what could be the next move in the market and not signals. So you should have a system, you should have a plan, and you should know how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, do not risk any $1 in the market because you will be gambling. Silver, for this one guys, you know from here, we said we are expecting a corrective structure, and this corrective structure, it will take time and it will be slow. And you are following us week by week, step by step for this one. Now last week, we said we are expecting up and then downside again. This is what we are getting. So what next for this one? We are expecting a correction and more downside here. If you are in the sell, move your stops and leave it. Your worst case scenario, it should be break even. We are expecting more downside now for silver. After this down wave, upside again. For now, we are expecting down. Short-term downside and long-term, this is an investment also, and it should be going to the upside again. Those who are investing way before, you should skip this pair. And you trade now, it should be at break even. Nat gas, also this investment, market going up, and here we are expecting more upside. So this is investment, look for your buy setups, do not look for any sell setup here. All what you should look for is your buy setups. And this will be also a good investment. You know that we are not pretending to be right on every single wave, but most of our forecasts are going in our direction, and no one can be right 100%. Euro yen, for this one guys, how many of you are waiting this up wave? Market went up here more than 200 pips in one day, and we posted this chart on TradingView. This is the chart, and we said here we are looking for an up move on Euro yen, and this is where we posted the chart guys. The market was at 115.72. If you click this button, you will see how the market shoots up exactly from here. All of you guys follow us on TradingView, because time to time we are posting charts here as well. You can find the link in the description of this video. Coming back to this chart right now, here in this one guys, we are expecting more upside. If you get a corrective structure here, go for this buy setup if you are not in. Those who are in, you must be in a risk-free trade. You can take profits, move your stops, it's up to you now. But your worst case scenario, it should be break even. Now, like I said, do not follow anyone blindly and do not jump in. Why I am saying that? Because here we have a possibility, I'm not saying we are expecting that, we have a possibility that this market will make one more leg down and then upside again. We are not expecting this. But you should put in mind, if market will give you this lag, how you should manage your trade. And this is very, very important to your psychology, to your account, to your plan. And psychology, guys, is a big part in this business. Let me explain you why. Let's say, for example, you get in somewhere here, and the market went up. At this level, you are up 5% of your account. So you are making 5% profit on your account. And markets start to go down. At this level, guys, this profit will be 2.5%. And here at this level, guys, your emotions will control your mind. And you will be thinking, I was plus 5% and now 2.5%. I don't want to lose this 2.5% and get out for break even. Let me close my trade for 2.5%. This is fine. And I'm happy about that. You close your trade here and market will shoot up again. And here at this one, you will start doubting your plan. You will start thinking again and you will be making mistakes. This is why in our course, also we have a psychology class to help you building the right mindset. Because the right mindset is very, very important in this business. Dollar Swiss, also for this one, we said we are expecting a down wave. Do not miss this down wave. And market went down 200 pips fast. If you are in this sell, you can take profits or move your stops. We are expecting more downside in the structure. And those who are selling this one, guys, you can move it to break even because we are expecting more downside. If you remember this one, hit the like button and leave a comment. And we want all of you who did not subscribe to our channel yet, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Because when we reach 20k subscribers for our channel, there will be another surprise coming for you. Aussie New Zealand, also from here we said in all cases we need a bigger corrective structure. And market here start to be more complex. But we've got this down wave. What next for this one? For those who know how to handle the down wave, you can go for it. And remember, the bigger wave and the bigger direction is toward the upside. From here we said we are expecting an upside and this was posted on TradingView. Also, once you follow us on TradingView, check this chart. I will try to post it also on our weekly Forex forecast on our website. So in this one, what next? We are expecting more downside here for a bigger corrective structure and then upside again. Any sell setup here that you see, you can take, but always take it and take profit. For those who don't know how to trade this down wave and don't want to trade this down wave, do not go for it. Leave it and wait the market. What I mean by leave it? Leave it to have a complete structure here before you go for any buy setup again. Remember, missing an opportunity doesn't mean you are losing money. Missing an opportunity, it's totally fine. You are not here to every time you look at the charts, you must click the trade. If you are doing that, stop trading, because you are addicted to click the trade and not to follow the plan. Do not risk your money if you don't know what you are doing. Forex trading is a tough business, and to master it, you need coaching. So if you would like to take the next step in your trading career, do not miss out our next course. New Zealand CAD, also for this one guys, it's posted in our trading view. We are expecting next a down wave for New Zealand CAD. And this down wave, we are expecting it to be sharp and fast. So look for your sell setups to get in this down wave. This is what we can see, and this is what we are forecasting. Downside, down wave for New Zealand CAD. Pound Swiss, for this one guys, we posted on our website and we said we are looking for a down wave next week. And the market went down. This is a wave and this is a move we are looking for. Downside down wave for Pound Swiss. So all of you guys, once you finish this video, go and check the rest of the pairs on our website. The link is in the first comment of this video. We are updating our website every single week. Check the rest of the pairs there as well. And now all of you, as you can see that most of the pairs moved as expected, the more you share this video, the more YouTube will spread it. And the more you will support 𝗿𝗏𝗡𝗏 channel. Share it on your social media platforms and let other people benefit as well. We know that a lot of you cannot afford our course, but at the same time, our knowledge and our time have value and you should understand that. And you can see that every week, we are here for you guys. Every single week, every Saturday. All what we want from you is to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. The more you share it, the more that we will share knowledge with you. If you are benefiting, let others benefit as well. And now is the time for the bonus tip. Do not forget to put goals and targets. Monthly targets, yearly targets, and remember, only 6% per month is more than enough to double your account in 1 year. And it's achievable. It's not easy, but it's achievable. Do not miss out our next course guys. It will be the best investment that you have ever made in your life. If you want to be an independent successful trader, this course, it will be the best course for you. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, trade with care, and see all of you next week.